What is sudden wealth? Hi, I'm attorney Paul DeLaury, and I help families and business owners protect their assets and empower their children to be responsible stewards of their wealth. So sudden wealth is any significant amount of money or property or other assets, basically that can be converted into money, that a person is not used to managing, not prepared to manage. And because they're not prepared to manage it, they tend to make bad decisions. That's why it matters. Now, examples would be lottery winners who get significantly more than they were used to, and then they don't have that a year later. Or athletes who get big multi-million-dollar contracts and then they're in bankruptcy later on. It happens to children. The proof is just look around, and maybe not here, we're at a park and it's empty, but look around you or think about people you know. What percentage of people that you know are in the 5th generation of managing the family's money, or the 10th generation of managing the family's money, where the money is growing? They're fully functioning, resilient, engaged human beings, and the money is just continuing to grow and grow from generation to generation to generation. Well, the reality is it's a really, really small percentage. There are families that are able to do that, and we'll talk about how that is in other videos, but there's something to this sudden wealth. The reality is that there's a thermostat, like a mental subconscious thermostat, where a person is used to having available a certain amount of money, and like the subconscious, it is really strong and it wants to stay at that level. And then if the person then receives millions of dollars, the subconscious is gonna just do stuff to get to the level that it's comfortable at, because the subconscious is, and I know this sounds like crazy psychological stuff, but it's real. And if you've experienced significant wealth, or if you've experienced significant wealth and you've gone through what I'm talking about with sudden wealth, or you know what I'm talking about. What happens when you get a windfall, financial windfall, is again, the subconscious has this amount of money that it's used to, that it kind of accepts as its reality, and then there's another amount in the actual bank account or the trading account, and so the subconscious will somehow, there's a disconnect, and those have to meet. They just have to meet somehow. And if the person is able to do personal growth really fast, they can get up to the level where they accept, subconsciously they accept the higher amount of money, or they're gonna sabotage themselves to get the money down to where the subconscious is comfortable with it. So that's what sudden wealth is. Again, I'm Paul DeLaury. If you have any questions, reach out. The phone number is, and there's going to be a link in the bottom of the video. And by the way, if you like these videos, please like them. Okay, it helps me get the word out about this issue. Thanks.